Okay, does every Italian family have a professional slicer like this?
It depends.
I was wondering how you gave me micro-sliced salami.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened up till the aircraft has reached its final parking position. The engines have been turned off and the seatbelt signs above you have been switched on.
Okay, I finally made it to Milano. Beautiful friend. Hi.
We are back together. Yeah.
When did I see you? Like a week and a half ago?
Yeah, more or less.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm outside of the airport for the first time.
Yeah.
This is 5 times to MXP. And I'm wearing Milano lipstick. This color is called Milan. Just
Okay.
for you.
Just for me?
Just
okay.
for you. Look at this cute Fiat. Ah, it's so Italian. It's our little red Ferrari for the day or the weekend. Who cares? It's cute. I'm in Italy. Whatever.
Looks the... I don't know if you know about the singing by car.
Oh, should we do that? Play a song
with Italian song.
Yes, let's do Italian music. No. This might be a copyright infringement. Whenever I watch those the celebrity car rides, I laugh so
celebrity
hard.
car. Me too. Now get your hands up, everybody! Walk.
I think Adele did one. Let's turn it up. So where are we headed right now? We're going to your house. Like, how far is it from the airport?
It's 15 minutes. No, not so bad. It's more or less 15 kilometers.
Okay. Are your parents like, when is she coming already?
My father is at the one funeral.
He's at a funeral?
And my mom's just arriving from work, so she's eating now. The Italian family sits all together and they eat all together.
That's good. That's a good family bonding tradition.
Yeah. The first step, arrive, eat.
Okay.
Also alone. Sometimes we also wait for everybody and eat all together. It's a better thing.
Yeah, yeah. I know you.
But it happens because maybe I work in the airport.
Yes.
So I work with some
odd hours.
Yeah, and my mother and my father too.
So let's do an Italian lesson.
When you meet people in Italy, you have to say your name.
Yes.
You have to present you. So,
how do you say that?
Piacere.
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 Sono Marsha.
Sono Marsha.
Yeah. Sono means I am.
I am. Piacere. Sono Marsha.
Sono Marsha.
Italiano's okay. This is Paola's mom. Isn't she beautiful?
Thank you very much.
She's so elegant. Okay, so Paola's dad made this wine and the surname is Nalani. Okay, so every time you eat, you have to say buon appetito?
Yes.
Okay. Woo! Thank you. Yay! Look at her mommy.
Buon appetito.
Okay, where are we going right now?
We're going to Duomo.
We're going to Duomo?
This is the Duomo.
Okay, we're going to Duomo now. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
The cultural exchange has been so lovely and memorable, and I've enjoyed spending this local experience with Paola and her family right before the holiday season. So what is this place, Paola?
Castello Sforzesco.
Wow, that sounds so fancy.
Yeah.
Where are we right now? This is Cairoli. Am I saying it right? Who's this? Oh yeah.
He's very funny.
Grazie, grazie. Where are you from? From where?
Bulgaria.
Oh, okay. Bulgaria. My friend is from Bulgaria.
Kiss.
Go for it. On the. This is a gold experience. What is this? This looks like your car.
It's a perfume.
Yeah, I see the gold bars.
I don't know if you know about this perfume. It's very popular here.
Is it the Paco Rabanne?
Do you want to go over there?
Yeah, sure. That was interesting. Look at the little kids. They look so cute. This was the first time I visited Duomo, and let me tell you, I will never do it again, especially because it was a weekend and also during peak high holiday season. It was very festive and beautiful, however nearly impossible to sightsee, walk around, and enjoy shopping because it was so crowded and besieged with tourists, including myself, but I didn't have a choice. The next time I visit, I'm going up to the top of the Duomo and enjoy the aerial view. Look how busy it is! Centro... What is this area called exactly? Just Duomo?
Piazza Duomo.
Piazza Duomo is so crazy right now. It's so busy. Well, it's like this every night, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what is that gold one up there?
It's the Madonna.
What does that mean? Or what is that? Madonna?
It's the Madonna, yes.
Oh, okay.
Madonna of Duomo.
The Duomo.
They are trying to make this tree here.
Oh, they were putting it up?
Yeah, they are making this tree. So
I feel like that's kind of late. I feel like they should have done that already before I met you. You know, like
they are preparing this.
oh, they're preparing the tree. Okay.
Yeah. Marsha, do you like chocolate?
I love chocolate. This is a huge piece of chocolate. This trip has been so memorable because I got to share the visit with the local person of the region. I've actually never visited Milan prior to meeting Paola because I've only had layovers to MXP. Grazie mille, Paola, for being such a wonderful person, having a beautiful heart, and most importantly, being my friend. I will never forget this local experience with you and for opening your home to me. You will always be welcome to visit me in New York. I'm having Italian days with the Nalani family. Look at all this. This is so exciting. This is phase 1, right? So good. Too bad you cannot emulate the scent on a video.
Do you know the smell?
Oh, it smells so good. Bruna, say hi.
Hi.
This is Bruna.
Hi,
Paola's
Bruna.
sister. And this is
Fabio.
Fabio,
husband.
her husband.
Hi.
You guys both have great ombre hair.
Yeah, different sisters. she's the smaller one. I'm the big one.
No, baby, no.
Okay, does every Italian family have a professional slicer like this?
It depends.
I was wondering how you gave me micro-sliced salami.
To you?
I'm gonna eat it later, for sure. Thank you. Oh,
Okay. You want?
I'll take it. This is Paola's dad. Wait. Hi, this is Joseph. The vino. This is vino bianco that I had earlier. Oh, wow. 2014, right?
2014. Also
Oh,
this one.
okay. Ooh, pickled peppers.
Yeah, pickled peppers.
Oh, I love these. Grazie, grazie. My only Italian. No, I know buongiorno. I'm pretending to help, but I'm not doing anything. I'm just admiring the food. I can definitely say that food brings people together. It was really fun to see Paola's mother prepare so much food, and it's also true that Italian families come together for meals.
Homemade pizza.
And homemade pizza, homemade pickled peppers.
It's spicy.
It's good. We have this stuff.
Maybe it's too
I love it.
spicy.
I like it. It's like banana peppers.
So, benvenuti